Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your ZTE Max Blue LTE. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install them correctly and also how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And then I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files that are in the memory of your phone to the SD card so that you can free up space. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing we're going to need to do is grab your ZTE, and on the left side it's going to have a small opening towards the top here, and that is where the SIM card tray ejector pin is going to go in. So you're going to push it in and it's going to pop out just a little bit like that. Once it pops out, you can pull it out with your fingers. So here we're going to place the SD card here at the top. Top slot is for the SD card, and then on the bottom slot we're going to place the SIM card with the slanted part facing down. So it should look like this on your SIM card tray. Okay, it's going to have the little icons right here. Once you have it in there correctly, go ahead and grab the SIM card tray. It's going to go in like this, and then here's going to be the front of the phone. So you're going to place it in like this. Push it in completely all the way till it's all the way in. Alright, so once you put it in, we're going to go ahead and restart the phone so that it can read both the SIM card and the SD card properly. There we go, so the phone has booted on and it's going to start to read both the SIM card and the SD card. So there you go, it's reading the SIM card and it's activating the phone. So we'll give it a couple seconds, maybe a few minutes. As you can see, it has the reception bars up here. Alright, so there we go. It has picked up the signal and read the SIM card. So it will do that automatically. So it has read the SD card. But I'm going to show you now how to set it up so that when you take pictures and videos from now on, they're saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. So we're going to go to camera. Okay, once we're here in camera, we're going to go to settings. And then here we're going to select save location. Here on save location, we're going to have the option up here that says save location. So phone is probably going to be highlighted there. So we're going to now change it to SD card. Now it says SD card. So when we take pictures and videos now, they're going to be saved to the SD card, okay, and videos as well. So that's how you change that so that they can be saved now on the SD card. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer old files that are in the internal memory of the phone to the new SD card so that you can free up space on your phone. So we're going to need to find the file manager. Okay, so I open up the apps and it's right here, file manager. Here in File Manager, we're going to go to Local, and here we're going to select the memory that we want to transfer from. So we want to transfer from the phone memory to the SD card. So we're going to go to Phone. Here, the pictures are going to be in the DCIM folder. Here we're going to go to Camera. And here are the pictures that I have saved in my internal memory of the phone. So you're probably going to have a lot more. This is just for the purpose of the video. So once you're in the folder that you want to transfer stuff out of, we're going to select the three dots up here. We're going to hit multi-select. Okay, and we're going to tap up here to select all. There you go. It's selected all of them. Once all of them are selected, we're going to tap on this cross down here. That's to move. And then here it's going to ask us where we want to move it to. So I'm going to go back to local here. And now I'm going to select SD card. Here in the SD card, I'm going to save it in the same folder, DCIM folder. But I'm going to create a new folder here for this phone. So let's name it ZTE Max Blue. There we go. ZTE Max Blue. So I'm going to save the pictures here in this file of the SD card. So hit paste once you're ready. And there we go. The files have been moved over. So let's just go back to the internal memory of the phone to confirm. Let's go back to phone, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, the pictures are no longer here and they have been transferred to the SD card. So keep in mind, you could do this with any other type of file here that you may want to move over to free up space. So any of these files that you can select from the file manager of your phone. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to install your SIM card and SD card and how to transfer old files to free up space on your phone. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.